Extended bird dog to side plank, lower leg lift. Start in hand plank. Lift the right arm forward and left leg up. To side plank, bend the limbs, tuck the left knee forward, rotate onto the inner edge of that right foot, extend your left leg forward, right arm up. Bend the left leg in, slowly return towards extended bird dog, extending forward and down. I couldn't talk through all the cues while doing that. You have to move pretty slowly with control. Think about those square shoulders, square hips, facing the floor, facing forward, facing diagonally all at the same time so that you're not segmenting the body. Let's try the other side. We've got the right leg and left arm up, extended bird dog. Strong control. Wrap those triceps into the body. Stay strong. Tuck the limbs, rotate slowly, leg lift, strong obliques, slowly come on back, extended bird dog, and down.